guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cartoon face logo with your mobile phone. So the app I use to create that is, I use three apps. I use ToonMe app, I also use pixellab, and finally I use background eraser. So the first thing you need to do is download this ToonMe app from Play Store, or you can download it from my channel. I actually have a video which I did where you can download it for free, no watermark. Okay, so this is how the app interface looks like. Once you're in the app, the next thing you should do is to just click any of the free designs or the free examples that are here. They are not free, but like I said, you can check my previous videos. I'm going to drop the link in the description where you can get this app for free. I'm going to choose this. Then you can click any image of your choice. Let me pick an image from my gallery. Or let me use this guy's image. So you just have to wait for it to finish processing your image. And once it is done, it is going to show you the cartoon image. Okay, so once the picture has done processing, you are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you're going to have six examples to choose from. Now let me pick this one because it looks similar. So you just have to wait again. I'll pause this video. Okay, so once it is done, you can hold it to check the previous picture. As you can see, it looks exactly similar. So the next step now is for you to save to your device. Download. And now off your data. Once it is done downloading, quickly go to Google Play Store and download this app right here. The name of the app is Background Eraser. I'm going to drop the link of this app in the video description also. So this is the picture we just did. Now select auto and drag it to the white spots. Just drag it to the white spots. Press done. Now you can smoothen it. Make sure it's at least it is in 3, either 3 or 2, so that those white edges can just go off. So once it is done, click on finish. Now let us head over to pixellab. You can also download pixellab on Play Store, but click on this. Check this my previous video so that you can get it for free. And let's change the background to white. For now, you can still change it later. Import the picture we just changed into a cartoon, the transparent. Okay, now this step you have to create a circle. Draw a circle shape. Then click on layers over here, drag it down, adjust it accordingly. Okay, once you are done adjusting your picture, now go to max, select out, then click here and drag it above. Now click here and drag it. Now all you have to do here is just to make sure it is the same shape as the circle, the white circle. So once you have done doing that, select the white circle and change the outline to black. Set the width to 4. Go to this picture, cartoon picture, and also change the stroke. Set the width to either 2 or 1. Once you are done with that, select the circle again, go to color, can put it in black or any color, but I want the color to be the same as the color of his shirt. Select this color picker to select anywhere on the shirt and it to be the same color. Okay, so once you are done, click here, that's the menu, and export your image. Okay, before you do that, you can actually remove the background, then export it to PNG. Okay, once it is done, you can now go to your gallery and check your final results. Yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye for now.